Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and if you aren't new here, thank you guys so much for the support. But if you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. We are already at 3,000 subscribers. I know I have been saying I'm gonna do my giveaway, but I've been waiting until I got to 3,000 subscribers, and I freaking did it. I just moved out of state, you guys. I moved away from California. I'm no longer in California, so I have a moving vlog coming. I have an empty apartment tour coming. I have so many videos that I'm literally editing at the same time. But moving across state is a lot of work, so that's besides the point. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be showing you guys how I did my 36-inch faux locks. They're really soft. They're kind of heavy because they're long, but they are very soft. What you are going to need, you will be needing a comb. You're gonna be needing some faux locks. I got 18 inches. I believe I used about 8 packs. I have 2 more extra just in case. So originally you would need around like 6. You're going to need a crochet tool and some gel or some jam. This is what I use to keep this style, you know, neat and, you know, just neat. And I used like a little brush, like a toothbrush, you know, to keep my edges perfectly fine and perfect. And I got some cute little jewels. That is optional, but just, you know, add a little extra to your hair. Altogether, I want to say I spent around $60. The hair was like 40 something, and the jam, the jewels, and the comb, and the crochet tool. The crochet tool actually comes with the hair. I got my hair from Amazon. I'll put all my links in the description below. So yes, without further ado, let's get right into the video. I will stop talking. Yeah, so like I said, the video is kind of jumpy because I recorded this, half of it in California and the rest I just recorded here. I didn't go into too much detail because I know there's a lot of tutorials on how to do this. So I definitely just did the one in the front because that was the easiest way. But I definitely got some good angles. So yeah, I'm gonna quit rambling. So if you guys, again, enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below some video suggestions you want to see. Go ahead and follow me on all of my social media platforms if you love me. But yeah, just get right into the video. All right guys, so we started out with fresh hair. I had my girlfriend do all my parting for me. I did the braiding, she brushed it all out. Here's my hair all brushed out. Then I had some little braids looking like Coolio. They were parted to my liking. You can do as big as you want. I did a lot, which I kind of regret because it's a little heavy. I wish I would have done them a little bigger, but I love them. So yes, this is here. Now we are going to start, because I had already finished this. This is me redoing the front. I did my dreads about 2 weeks ago. I was moving, so I lost the footage. So anyways, so we're gonna take the crochet tool and we're gonna get the loop, and I did this backwards. See, I put this on camera so I could show you guys what not to do. Don't do that. No. So you're gonna take the crochet tool, put it through the loop of your, you know, the scalp part of your head. Here I am messing up again. Okay, there we go. Get it through there. Now we're gonna get the loop of hair and we're gonna pull that through the other side because we're gonna secure that tightly. And I kind of did a knot around my braid and the actual lock. All right, so now that we got that dread through, we're gonna tie a knot. And as you can see, I put the zoom cam on. It's a little slower version, so if you don't even want to look at the bigger version of my screen, you can look at that smaller version. It's a slower version and it's up close. on the bigger screen, I went ahead and I just literally tied a knot, got another 18-inch faux lock, tied a knot at the end of that, wrapped it, and I got some super glue and secured that. So it didn't come. I only did that to some of them. I didn't have to do that to all. And here I am wrapping, adding. I'm so sorry if it's confusing to have both the screens, but I felt like people would want to see an up close perspective. And then you just want to go ahead and like get your hand and like rub your hands together as if you're gonna start a fire with your hair, but don't do that. It just makes your hair look neater and it blends it together more, makes it look like it's supposed to be the long. And for the required necessities for this video, I forgot to mention in the beginning of this video that you are gonna need some khaki hair, anything that's kinky, or I honestly use other faux locks. I just untangled them because I ran out of the other hair. It does the same thing because we're gonna wrap that around your real braid and the faux lock that is attached. You're gonna see what I do in just a moment. All right, so do you guys remember as a kid those little yarn things? Like it was like a yarn and jewels that you could get at the fair, and you would do like on one piece of your hair. I'm gonna enter the image here. That. So that's exactly what you're going to be doing with the hair. Instead of using yarn, you know, different colored yarn, you're literally using hair, and you're just wrapping that around your real hair to secure. I prefer to do only my natural hair and stop, only because I've done this method where you do it all the way down, and those are absolutely heavy. They're just way too much. This is just works way better for me, and it's way less retention on my hair. It's just so much more comfortable. I just prefer it personally. All right, so I'm gonna do one more demonstration. Here I am doing the back of my head. I also want to mention that I didn't do all of my hair. I did wrap the hair with my natural hair, but I know me and I will have headaches having all this hair on my head. So I did layers. So I had some that are my natural length, then I had some with only one 18-inch, then I had some with two 18 inches attached. So here I am just doing the back, doing the same steps, putting the crochet through my braid first at the top, grabbing the little loop, pulling that through, tying a knot, leaving that be, and then wrapping any type of hair, braiding hair around just to secure and cover my braid with the faux lock. My hair isn't very long, so it was pretty easy to cover my hair. And that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It is very easy, very simple. There are so many methods. This was the easiest, and it is very time consuming but very easy. Go ahead and give this a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and like, and I'll be back with more videos, y'all. Thank you for supporting.